Tech fam, welcome back to Layera Tech. Top 8 mid-range drones for photography and fun. Drones are amazing tools for capturing stunning images and videos, plus they can be a lot of fun to fly. Today we'll explore some great options that won't break the bank. 1. DJI Mini 2. First up is the DJI Mini 2. This compact drone is lightweight and easy to carry. It offers 12MP photos and 4K video. Plus, it has a 31-minute flight time, making it perfect for capturing breathtaking landscapes. 2. Holystone HS720. Next is the Holystone HS720. This drone features a 2K camera and GPS assist. It has a flight time of up to 26 minutes and comes with 2 batteries. It's great for beginners and offers excellent image quality. 3. Potensic D80. The Potensic D80 is another great option. It has a 1080p camera and 20 minutes of flight time. With its GPS function and follow me mode, you can easily capture your adventures. 4. Roku F11 Pro. The Roku F11 Pro stands out with its 4K camera and 30 minutes of flight time. It also features a smart follow mode, making it ideal for filming your outdoor activities. 5. Snapton SP650. For those on a budget, the Snapton SP650 is a solid choice. It offers 1080p HD video and a 120 deg wide-angle lens. It's easy to use, making it perfect for kids and beginners. 6. Altair 818 Hornet. The Altair 818 Hornet is designed for fun. It has a 720p camera and can perform flips and rolls. Its durable design is great for beginners who might crash while learning. 7. Eachine E520S. The Eachine E520S features a 4K camera and GPS. With a flight time of about 16 minutes, it's a solid choice for capturing beautiful scenery with ease. 8. Potensic D85. Finally, we have the Potensic D85. It has a 2K camera and a flight time of up to 20 minutes. With its advanced features and good stability, it's perfect for both fun flying and photography. Thanks for watching our list of the top 8 mid-range drones for photography and fun. Each drone offers unique features for every kind of flyer. Happy flying!